Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. For those of you that don't know me, my name is Ali and we are here with another video. What we have for today's video, it is our Ipsy Glam bag for the month of July. I cannot believe it's already mid-July and I'm barely getting to these. So hopefully I can get all of these up really fast so they are not super duper late. For those of you that don't know about the Ipsy Glam bag, this one, it is $12 a month. I think they have a special if you purchase like a whole year's worth of bags. It will come out to, I think, $10, which used to be the old price. But if you buy it one by one, like a regular subscription, they are $12. So you always get deluxe size samples in this one, and you always get a cosmetic bag. So this is the cosmetic bag we get for this month. It says Escape. It's very summery and it's just like a thick plastic kind of bag, and it has a cute little zipper on the top. So let's just see what we get in here. Let me take out this card first, and yeah, this one doesn't have any product information. I think they're done with putting the information on these cards. This one, it just says your ultimate beauty staycation, and it just kind of gives you like things that you can do to make yourself feel better. So that's that. And I'm gonna take out the first one. I'll grab this one. This is from The Balm. Now the first time that we get that brand in here, this one says Will Powder Blush in the shade Perseverance. So this is what it looks like, and it almost looks like, you know, that's his name, but it says Will Powder. I don't know, thought it was funny. But let me see, it says it's a blush in this shade Perseverance. Now if I can just figure out how to open it. That's a blush. It has a very like goldeny tone. It's very rose gold. It's a pretty color. Let me see. It's just very like metallic-y, like shimmery. Yeah, this it's a pretty color. I mean, I don't know if it'll show at all because it's pretty light, but it's very goldeny. Like when you move it around, it looks pink and then it looks gold. It looks pink and then it looks gold. So it has a nice shift to it. I don't know. I don't know if a lot of people would like that, just because it's not too much of a blush. It's almost like a highlighter, but like a topper, you know. So up next we have this from the Naked, well, not the Naked, but from Naked Cosmetics. It looks like it's a loose powder. What does it say here? It says naturally nude, and it doesn't say what it is. So let's see. Let me open this. Ooh, that's a very pretty powder. Now if I can just get into it, because of my nails. Oh wow, that's really pretty. I don't know what this would be exactly. It's pink. It's almost like a highlighter, but it has a lot of color. It is really pretty. It's more like metallic-y than the other one, and I thought the other one was really pretty. But I mean, I guess you can use this as a highlighter, or even an eyeshadow will look really nice. Let me see, what do we have here? This is from Skin Regimen. It is a cleansing cream, just in a little tiny bottle. Oh, it's still covered. I'm not gonna open it. So it's just said it's cleansing cream. It removes pollution, impurities, makeup, and SPF. So it pretty much gets rid of everything that is sitting on your skin, so you can be nice and refreshed. And what else is in here? We have something from, oh, this is pretty packaging. It says, tell me your wish cute. Tell me your wish cute? What? Makes no sense. Well, it is a hand cream, but tell me your wish cute. That makes no sense. That is a little bottle, and this is what I was reading, but it makes no sense. It's not, tell me your wish cute. I don't get it. Because that's not how you spell cutie. Ooh, that smells good. It smells like, it's very floral. Like, what does it smell like? is it jasmine? I think it kind of smells like jasmine. It smells really good. I don't know what flower it is, but I really like it. It smells so good. And we are down to the last item. It is from Thrive Cosmetics. And this one, I actually chose it to be in my bag. And I think this is a full size. Yeah, I think this is full size. Normally in this bag, we get deluxe size samples. But occasionally we do get the full size. And this one is a full size. This is the lip filler lip liner. And I really, ooh, that's a pretty color. I really like these type of lip liners because the color part of it is thicker and it's easier to fill in your lips. And a lot of the times I actually use lip liners as lipsticks just because I like how matte they are sometimes. And these feel super duper creamy that they don't dry out your lips, or they don't make your lips look like if they're dry, like if you're like freaking, thirsty for water. Can't stop smelling the lotion. It smells so good. But with this one here, this is the last product from our bag. I think I'm mostly excited for these two just because I have a lot of blushes. I do have a lot of blushes, and I have loose powders like these. I don't really use, and of course I have a lot of cleansing, facial cleansing things. So these two I think are the ones that I'm the most excited for. But overall for $12 is not bad just because this one here I think is full size. So those are all the products from my bag. So that means that I am all done for right now. I will be back really soon with another video, and I hope I will see all of you guys back here next time. Bye.